Yeah, hello guys. Good morning and welcome to Forex Network once again. And today is Saturday, so we'll be checking out our weekly outlook of the market. That's what we're gonna be expecting for the next study section. And these are pairs we've already highlighted, and these are pairs we've already analyzed. So we'll just be giving you a summary of our analysis. So as those that be following this channel, how we just do in this channel is talk about Forex market, we talk about the cryptocurrency, stock market, and of course we will also be introducing the options market very soon. We are currently working up with some experts that are already trading the options market for a while, and very soon we will also be dishing out our strategies and ways you could also profit from the options market. So that said, if you haven't subscribed, please do to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it. That we get notified whenever we post a video. And please, at the end of this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and let's dive into today's analysis. Okay, for the first time, what we'll be checking out is the Eagle GPB. From the fundamentals, one thing you should know is that the Eagles seems to be getting more strength for the past few weeks. So we hope it's definitely going to continue. We've checked the fundamentals and every other thing. We really hope the Eagle strength is going to continue for this next trading week. And that said, we're still going to be analyzing the market and also giving you our strategies. And those actually call to appreciate for the last week's strategy. No problem. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the fact that we're able to make profits from the market. That is our joy. That is what this channel is for. It's for giving you the ability to increase your profitability in the market. So that is what this channel is really meant for. That is our main aim. So please also you can also do way if you maybe take our strategies and it works for you very well. Please you can also do way to call like our WhatsApp, send us a message. So you can also share it as a manner of giving others hope and telling them people are still making it from the forex market. Not just people doing the videos. There are people following the strategy and also making it. So please do wait also to what to send your messages, your emails, and any other way you wanna appreciate. Thank you so much, and let's go into the first one. The first one we'll be checking out is the Eagle GPB. Okay, so as usual, let me remove all these. Okay, good. So the Eagle GPB, as I said, is what currently initially it was a very good downtrend market, but lately you can see it forming a series of higher highs and higher lows, breaking previous high and forming new ones. So that's our analysis, and that's what we'll be doing today. It currently broke a previous level of resistance, which has been a good level of resistance for a very long period of time. And that level or that zone is this zone right here. Let's just mark it to this level. Okay, you can see it has been respected several times, but currently it's broke above that level. Let me bring it somewhere here so it can be okay. Currently broke above that level. So what are we expecting from this market? Let's now go to our trading time frame, which is in 1 hour. What we're expecting, okay, let me shift this way so you can see it. I'm sure you can see it now. Good. So what we're expecting from this market now is for this market to give us a pullback, a little of a pullback, more like a reversal. Then once it gets to this zone, then what we're expecting is to see our normal reversal signals. Once we can get those reversal signals, then we join this level of what in the buy signal. We join it in the buy direction, in the bull direction. Once we get the confirmation, and once again, if you don't still know the confirmation, if you not be following this channel, our major confirmation, what we intend to see are low momentum candles, the bullish engulfing, the pin bar, the inverted hammer. Those are what you want to see at this level. Once you can start seeing the low momentum candles or any other ones of those which you call, then you can join this strategy, or you can join this momentum in the what in the long side, which is what you'll be buying this market. And of course, our stop loss is going to be below this previous structure. And those are the following channel. I said once you see a good trend, what you're gonna do is what we don't use a take profit, because we can't really see the next high. We can't put take profit here because that is just true. That's where the market is currently. So we can't see if the market puts back, then you put your take profit here. No, no, no. That won't give us a good risk reward ratio. So that's why I say, well, leave the take profit open, but right along with your what your stop loss. Once the market puts back, break above this level, you test it, you test this level and start showing signs of continuation. they can move your stop loss from where it was right here to a bit place of this, thereby what giving you a good chance to what to secure up some good profits. Okay, that's it. That's it for the Euro GPB. So let's go to the next one. The next we'll be checking out is checking out is the Euro USD. Okay. Okay, let's check out the Euro USD. Of course, you know the Euro GPB and Euro USD are a bit similar, so the same thing actually still happens right here. We still expect the same scenario. And today we'll be checking out a lot of pairs, just I think 7 pairs. So that's because these are just pairs that give us a good trading signal, or let me say a good structure for us to analyze. So you can still come around doing our midweek review, which should be on Wednesday, for us to tell you maybe if we're gonna add more pairs or what's gonna happen next. So those that don't know what I mean by midweek review, every Wednesday we release another review of the market of what has passed. That's based on what you're gonna do today, then what are we gonna expect next? Because definitely the market must have moved from a level of where it is currently to another level before that Wednesday. So that's where you now check, okay, this was happening in the market. So this was going to happen on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. So that is what we're going to be doing. So that I said, just thinking maybe you look, there's a particular pair you're looking for, you have now analyzed today. Don't worry, you can just relax yourself. On Wednesday, we might be giving out more pairs. That is if the pairs fall with under our strategy. If the pairs give us a good strategy signal, then we can put it under our watch list. So for now, these are just the one we have on our watch list. So what we're going to be expecting from the Euro USD, another bull market, a reversal, more like a pullback, an exhaustion phase, then what? A push phase. That is what you still expect from this market. So once you can get a little pullback to this previous zone, which we mark it here, remember it's a zone, it isn't a must, you must get to that level. You might just have a little of pullback. This is showing what signs of reversal, which I've already said earlier. So once we see those signs, they can now what ride along with the trend with our stop loss at this previous low right here. Or if it's pushed back, then go. That means we're having a new low at this level. So that means we can now put our stop loss below that new low somewhere around here. So that is our analysis for Euro USD. We are also still going to be what bull on the Euro USD. So let's still go to the next one. The next one is the USD JPY. Okay, let's see mark the structure again. Here is the structure we're actually looking at. Here's the structure. Oh, come on. I just want to bring that to this level so it will be easier for us to see that this level has been respected several times. Okay, then let me bring it up to this level. Okay. Sorry, please. I'm trying to just make sure you can understand what I'm trying to do here. Okay, good. So okay, I think at this level, let's just put it to this level. Good. So this is what, then let's go again on this. So these are actually what we are actually currently looking at. So for that of USD market, the USD market actually be losing strength again, following the fundamentals. Those are the following chart. I think that's been since, I think that was last week. Yeah, it was actually at a particular point there was a news that was released that actually gave the US market a good momentum to the upside, but currently it's now going backwards to the downside. So that is at this moment now we're going to be looking at what the US market is currently weak. So we expect it to be bullish, to be bearish on every currency, having the US market as its base currency. So that's what we're going to be expecting of this market. We're still going to be shorting this market. That is, if the market breaks below the previous zone, which, so let me just mark this. Okay, this is for let me take back to 1 hour. So if the market breaks below the previous zone have a little a test, a little pullback, show signs of reversal at that level of pullback, they can what short this market with our first take profits at this level, that is this previous low, and of course our stop loss is going to be above this previous high right here. And of course you can see a very good what risk reward ratio for our first take profit. And these are the following my channel. Take profit doesn't mean just being that's the end of the trade. Once the market get to that level, you can what either take your profit or you wait for a breakout, you what a retest again, a continuation. At that level, you can now what move your stop loss from where it is, which is this level, to this to this next low, which is going to what be formed. That is if the market breaks below this our take profit. So that is for the USDJPY. We are still going to be short. Once that zone gets broken and retested, then we get short on the market. So let's go to the next one, which is the USD card. Okay, let me move this first. Uh, yeah, okay. Let me just move all this. Okay, good. So the next one we're gonna be checking out is the USD card. Come on, remove. Good. So let's check out the USD card. Okay, here's the USD card. And of course, what's going to happen? We're going to be bearish on the USD card. Currently, the market is on a very good support. It has been a support for a very long time. After this crazy movement we had right here, so that means what we're gonna be expecting of this market is still going to what we're expecting a bullish market, a bearish market, and that can only happen once the market break below this previous low right here, have a retest and show signs of what continuation. They cannot short this market. Otherwise, for the range trader might think of, okay, this is a good level of support. Does the market might want to go back up to this level of previous resistance right here? That's for you. But for this particular chart strategy, what we're gonna be doing is what wait forward for trend with trend trading. We don't trade the what's it called, a short momentum signal. We're gonna look for trying to ride along with the trend. So that's why we won't be saying we're expecting to have a range in this level, then what you trade along with the range. No, what you're gonna be expecting is what is for a breakers from the range, then a retest or a pullback, then continuation. So if that happens, then we can short the market on the USA card with our stop loss above that previous high. This is this new high which is formed at this level. That is, as I said earlier, the what is breaks below it, show a sign of pullback, then continuation. They move our stop loss to this level. That's what above this new high which we have at this level. Okay, so that's it for the USD card. So let's check the next one, which is the USD CHF. So this USD CHF is still similar to that of the USD card. Let's mark the zone again. Here is the zone. So what we're still going to be expecting is what? We're still going to be expecting the market to give us, okay, let me put this there. Let me just leave it right here. Okay, we're still expecting the market will give us a sign of what? Pullback. That's already broken that previous zone. So we're expecting the market will give us sign of what? Low momentum candles at this level. We expect to see bearish engulfing at this level. We expected to see what the inverted hammer at this level. So once you can see any of those ones, then we can trade this market uh on the short side with our what's it called, our take part stop loss at this level, and of course our take profit is going to be open as we expect the market to start moving in a downtrend. So that's why we're going to be going to be short on the USD CHF. So that's for the USD CHF. Let's check out the Euro card. This is going to be our second to the last pair. Okay, let me move this. Then let's check the Euro card. Okay, good. Easy Euro card. Okay. our previous level. Remember, you can see this. Okay, let me use this. The market is a series of what? Higher highs and higher lows. So what we're gonna expect is what? For a breakout from this level, which is already done, a retest which is already done. So if you take it to the 15 minutes, you can see the retest at that level. So you can see a breakout from that level. Then the market is testing and currently was showing signs of what? So this is exactly what we love to see. This which you're seeing right here, all this candles you're seeing right here, this is a bullish angle which I usually talk about. This is a low momentum candles. All these are low momentum candles. Then this is like a doji, like an let me say an armor doji. So that is what we are actually talking about. We want to see at that level showing us what? A continuation of the market. So if that happens, currently this is the 15-minute chart. There will be taking our trades on the 1 hour charts. So if that happens again, so what you're gonna expect is what he also to ride along with this trend once the market opens. Once the market opens, we see signs of what the bulls still in the market. They cannot buy this market with our stop loss right here. So our stop loss is going to be at this previous level. So that is the 1.50695. So that is where our stop loss is going to be. And of course, our take profit is going to be open while we tail along with our stop loss. So that's it for the Euro card. Let's just go to the last one first. So the last one we'll be checking out today is okay, let's check out the GBP HUD. That's the last one. Okay. So let's say mark. I'm sure those that be following, once you see the chart, you can know what I'm going to do next. So this is another structure. So it's already broken. Currently it tested the market. So what we're going to be expecting is to ride along with the trend. If the market opens and it doesn't open with a gap, so we can what? Ride along with this trend. So that's what we're going to expect is once the market opens and we see the bears coming in, we see good bearish candle, then we can what? Ride along with this trend. It's our previous, remember for it was in what? It was from a series of what? Lower highs and lower lows. So that is what has been forming. So what you're gonna expect is what is for the market to will give us series of what of BLs coming into the market. So once you get to this zone, it doesn't break above this level, which can say this blue level here, and start showing what signs of reversal to the downside. Then we can work along with this trend. It of course our stop loss above this previous level of lower high at that level, and of course our take profit is going to be open while we ride along with our stop loss. So that's going to be the fact for the GPP odd, and also going to be the last analysis we're going to be doing for this week. So please do wait to do your own analysis. This isn't a financial advice. If you're going to be taking trades, these are just our own aspect, our own view of the market. We are not advising this is the best way to play the market. No, we're only giving us our view of the market so you can compare your own analysis before you putting your money into the trading world. So that's going to be the end of today's analysis. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, please do it to subscribe as we have good important content coming up. And so I wouldn't like any of you to miss it. That's why I'd like you to be subscribed to this channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, your loved ones, and please turn on your notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and see you during our midweek review. Bye for now.